Hello again everyone and welcome back to Adelaide Boat Sales. I'm Kieran and today we're down at the Cruising Yacht Club of South Australia to look at this Lagoon 380 S2. And these yachts are absolutely fantastic for 38 feet. They've got a lot of volume, a lot of headroom, a lot of space. This particular Lagoon, quite well looked after. She's a 3-cabin twin head setup, so fantastic for those extended getaways. This one runs twin Yanmar diesels with sail drive. The rigging's been done, I believe, 2019, so that's fresh and ready to go. Covers, sails, everything presents well. Interior is very tidy, bilges are very clean. They've got a lot of volume. The saloon here is great. There's heaps of vision throughout. Flows quite seamlessly from the cockpit, and the helm station's lovely and elevated, so you've got great vision over the coach top. So if you like the look of this vessel, please do contact Adelaide Boat Sales today. She's had some great additions. She's got a 3.5 kVA generator. Solar panels have been fitted onto the davits and a Watermaker, so she's pretty much ready to step aboard and head off on your next adventure.